Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Lexus LS 460. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 130,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control.